Guys, this video is for those students who want to develop their career in travel and tourism sector. And in some further slides, you are going to see some pictures. Those are my chocolate boxes, my winsome classmates, and some of them are my seniors too. And if you want to get some more information about them, then just comment below. Or you can also follow our Instagram page, that is mates444, and the link will be provided in the description box itself. And let's get started with the video.
हेलो गाइस, ये हम हैं, ये हमारा कॉलेज है और ये हमारी पार्टी हो रही है.
But let me remind you guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos and click the bell icon so you don't miss any updated video. Or in the end, video pasand aaye to do like, share, and if you are having any of the query related to that, then just comment below. I will definitely help you out with that. In this video, we will be discussing about the travel and tourism. Firstly, its course, then the course level, ये UG level है या फिर ये PG level है. Then moreover the duration of the course and who is eligible for the course, and further what are the subjects for pursuing the course. First of all, BTTM is just like a bachelor's degree known as Bachelors of Travel and Tourism Management. So there are so many different people around the world who love to explore different places or who like to travel. And how fun it will be if it can become just a source of income for us. I think it will be definitely amazing. And now we will be discussing about the course level. So it is basically a undergraduate course. मतलब like आप अपनी higher secondary complete करने के बाद, like अपनी 12th complete करने के बाद, you can easily apply for this travel and tourism management. So let's talk about the duration guys. Like it's maximum of 4 years, but कुछ जगह पे ये 3 years की होती है, because जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि एक बैचलर्स डिग्री की तरह होती है. And basically I am doing it in 3 years. Right now I am in my second year. Let's talk about the eligibility now. In this tourism sector, no matter that you are from commerce background, you are from science, you are from non-medical, or you are even from arts, you just require to have minimum 50% in your senior secondary, and that is really enough for taking admission in this travel and tourism courses. And talking little about the admission process, so there are two types of admission process. Number one is like merit based, and the number two is like entrance based. In the merit based, they just give you admission on the basis of their marks that you have scored in your higher senior secondary. And in the entrance based, there is just like a short general test, or you can say it exam, for checking your ability. Talking about the subjects, there are different subjects we have to understand and apply in our real life also, not just to cram. And the subjects are so easy, like focusing on different languages. Different languages are so important because we have to handle tourists from all around the world. Then environmental studies, then cultural tourism, it is the most popular tourism, especially in India. Then the international tourism business, then some little applications of computer, and then hospitality management like guest handling, problem solving, and little more. Then fundamentals of accounting like manage or customize for pricing and packaging. Then management relationships, terms about the market. Then basis of tourism market means the condition of the market, and then communication skills. It is the most important and the overall development for an individual. So guys, it was all about my video. Video pasand aaye to do like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Or if you are having any of the query related to the video, then you can just comment below, or you can mail me at my email ID mentioned in the description box. Thank you.